Hello, my name is Bekalu Yeshigeta. I'm Ethiopian entrepreneur. My project is manufacturing ethanol from fruit wastes. I have developed this product for the last 3 years and business concepts. When I was student in the Marcos University, there was some place which this fruit waste dumped. So from that waste, it have bad, unpleasant smells. Because of that, I was sick for a week and miss the exams in the class. That makes an initial point for start this projects. I have financial challenges and the society do not clearly understand the journey of the entrepreneurs. All institutions are familiar with small medium enterprises, not interesting for startups. I need financial supports and experts of mentors that help us. I have a dream to become real our projects and create awareness and employ for other unemployments and make our environment clean, reduce the impact of the wastes for environment, make clean it's our environments. Thank you. Do you want to join my journey? You should remember that you have impacts on environmental, make clean our environment, social, it create job opportunity, and economically, it make profit and network experiences. So you should know that I have developed the business plan, market assessment, and I have developed the prototype which is ready for markets.